My dear students of class 9, this is the 22nd video of the second chapter of physics, that is force and laws of motion. And in this video I have given some questions regarding practice paper number 5. This is the last video of this chapter. After this video is over, I will make videos on chemistry, that is second chapter of chemistry, is matter around us pure. Now see, the first question of this practice paper is state and prove law of conservation of momentum. What is the statement of law of conservation of momentum that you have to write, and after this you have to prove the law of conservation of momentum. Question number 2, derive an expression for recoil velocity of gun. A gun and a bullet in it is given to you, then the bullet is fired off the gun. The bullet will have some velocity. What is the velocity that the gun moves backward, that you will have to derive. That is, you have to derive an expression for required velocity of gun. Recoil velocity, you know it, the velocity with which a gun moves backward after firing a bullet is called recoil velocity of gun, that you have to derive the expression for the same. Question number 3, state Newton's second law of motion and prove F is equal to ma. You have to write the statement of Newton's second law of motion, and you know that mathematically Newton's second law of motion is written as F is equal to ma. But you have to derive the same. You have to prove. How can you say that F is equal to m into a, that you have to prove. Last question of this practice paper is the velocity time graph of a ball of mass 0.4 kilogram moving on a straight path is given in following figure. How much force does the ground exert on the ball to bring it to rest? Here in this diagram, that is the velocity time graph, this graph has been plotted to you. The velocity is in meter per second, time is in second, and you have to calculate the magnitude of force acting by the ground on the ball so that the moving ball can bring it to rest, or so that the moving ball comes to rest. Means this value, that is the velocity, is given 40 meter per second. Here after 0.9 second it comes to rest. Then you have to calculate how much force does the ground exert on the ball so that the ball becomes in rest. That is, the final velocity of ball becomes 0. That you have to calculate. The mass is given, force is to be calculated. So F is equal to ma, you know it, mass is given, acceleration from this graph you can calculate, and you can easily solve it. Thank you for watching this video.